Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we're going to show you some of the artwork that they have put on the walls. This is Water Lane and that's Harbour Street, the main street. So we're just going to show you some of the beautification work that's going on in downtown Kingston. And these murals have been put up, or they plan to put them up, on quite a few roads or buildings in downtown Kingston. And I think it's an excellent idea. They've actually paved the road also. I don't think cars drive on this road anymore. But this kind of beautification is what downtown Kingston needs. Yes, you have high-rise buildings going up, you have green areas going up, but this is also needed. It makes a world of difference. Honestly, when you look at this picture, you don't think of downtown Kingston. So hopefully this company continues doing what they're doing. I'm not sure if the government backs them or the tourist product backs them, but this is what is needed to change the face of downtown Kingston. This and demolishing some of these old buildings or fixing them up. And I must say, quite a few buildings, and you'll be surprised at the companies that own them. Some very large companies have just sat there and deteriorated in downtown Kingston. I mean, you'll be so. We should actually do a video showing you some buildings and tell you who owns the building. But they're renovating them one at a time, and slowly but surely it's coming along. And things like this it's an excellent idea. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.